flight to London's Heathrow, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself and the rest of the team to you. My name is Leo, the senior cabin crew member, and it's a real pleasure to welcome you all on board today's flight. For wonderful team working alongside me, working in Club Europe, we have Antonio, and in Euro Traveller we have Alex and Kit. We're here primarily for your safety, but also to ensure that you have a comfortable and enjoyable flight with us. A special welcome to those of you returning from Executive Club and those of you joining us from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board, and this includes the toilets which are fitted with sets of smoke detectors.